Hi everybody, this is John from John and Lynn's Adventures, and today it's a beautiful day, so we're going to get the bike out and try to get some riding time in before the big white snow comes. Not too cold today, so we're going to go 100 miles. Enjoy!
We'll take you to the countryside